powerful golden dragon, protector of the land of 1,000 legends, was attacked and fell from the sky, splitting into 5 elements. They disappeared and were feared lost. In their absence, an evil erupted and seized the land. But after 12 years, the elements re-emerged. Raindrop, water. Xiaoyan, wood. Jinho, metal. Niwa, earth. And Flamo, fire. They must join forces in battle against evil if peace and harmony is to be restored. Master Raindrop.
Do you think we've given Boo the slip?
It's been a while since we've seen him.
Which way?
Give me a turn. Come on, it's my turn. It's my turn. Please. Come on. Come on.
All right, but be careful with it.
Woohoo! You gotta love the way it does that. That way, to Dragon's Gate. That Dragon's Eye is so cool. What the? Bananas? This is my lucky day.
Now which way?
Hey.
Jinho, the dragon's eye.
Yeah, the Dragon's Eye. Oh, wait. Oh, here it is. Huh?
The Dragon's Eye!
What is that thing?
And what does it want with the Dragon's Eye?
This is bananas.
Raindrop, look out!
Wow! That was close.
Oh no! We can't get to the Dragon's Gate without the Dragon's Eye! But if we don't keep moving, General Bu will catch up with us.
We can't cross the river here. It's too dangerous.
Can I make a suggestion? I didn't think so. No.
We've got to get the Dragon's Eye. Come on, we'll try crossing further upstream. Over there. Hey! Huh? Can we get a ride?
Sorry?
We have to hurry. We're following a big creature that stole something from us.
The Jedi.
You know him?
He's always prowling around looking for knickknacks to take back to his lair. I have to get something back from him, too.
What did he steal from you?
Not from me. He stole a magic mortar from the mother of the girl I love. If I don't get it back, I won't be allowed to marry Ling Ling.
He stole her mortar and pestle?
Just the mortar. But without both parts, the magic's gone.
The mortar? Which part is that? The stick or the bowl?
It's the vessel.
I thought the pestle was the vessel, so he has to retrieve the mortar to marry the daughter.
Enough already! Come on!
What was that?
Oh, the river serpent. He doesn't like people crossing his river.
You don't say.
You knew about him and you were still trying to cross?
What else could I do? If I don't get the mortar back, I lose my Ling Ling.
Quango?
Ling Ling!
Here, take these. The last of Mother's magic seeds. Use them to help you get the mortar back. Who are they?
We're elements. I'm Raindrop, Niwa, Xiaoyan, and Jinho.
We're going with Quangsu so we can get back our Dragon's Eye. What do the seeds do? When it's thrown, the first seed will shrink what it hits. The next seed will grow, the third will shrink, and so on.
Ling Ling!
Huh? Mother's coming.
Ling Ling, you get back to the village immediately. I found a good rich husband who can look after Ling Ling. The merchant Biggie Bling Bling.
No, not Biggie Bling Bling with my beautiful Ling Ling.
Yes, and he wants to be married this very same day. Unless, of course, you bring me back my mortar by sunset.
No mortar, no daughter.
In a nutshell. Ling Ling, come.
I'll sneak back and wait for you here.
Ling Ling!
Quick! What did she say about the seeds? The first magic seed will shrink whatever it hits.
Do you think it's powerful enough to affect the river?
Only one way to find out. Quangsu?
Molly Z!
Awesome!
Look, the river serpent shrunk too.
La 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 la. Ah! Flamo, grab! What's happened to the water? What do you mean the river's dried up? Go and get some water!
Yes, General.
Oh, and one more thing. Hurry up! I've got soap in my eyes.
Whoa! That looks hot!
Let's see how hot.
Fall in and you're not coming back hot.
No problem. We'll shrink it. Quangsu, hurry, a seed. Molly's.
The first seed shrinks. The second seed grows. The third seed...
Shrinks.
Right. Let's go. After you.
I got it. Nobody panic. Jinho, to the rescue.
You did it, Quangsu.
Thank you all.
Yeah, anytime you need a hand.
There's gotta be some clue. Hey, Toad! Toad, over there, stop! Let's see what she knows. Hey there! Any idea what happened to the water in the river?
It was shrunk by a magic seed.
Any chance of it getting unshrunk?
Only if you have another magic seed.
So, where would I find one of these magic seeds?
My boyfriend has the last ones. Sorry, but he's gone to confront the Jedi.
Okay, so tell us what direction he went in.
I have to go.
Tell us where your boyfriend is, and then you can go.
I don't know where he is!
Grub! But we think you do. And we'll find him whether you help us or not. Making us angry will just make it worse for your boyfriend when we get there.
Quangsu has some new friends who protect him, and they're elements.
Elements? And I thought we'd lost them. Let her go, Grub. We got bigger fish to fry.
Yum! But I don't see any fish, Flamo.
It's an expression, you great big galumper. We're going to catch the elements for General Bu.
Oh, no.
A whole lake of jewels. There for the taking. Woohoo!
Wait!
Huh? Bad idea? I knew that.
The Jedi guards the jewels. If you start taking the jewels, he'll come out and attack us.
Let's just get what we came for and get out of here.
Absolutely. Just get what we came for. But what if the dragon's eye and the magic mortar are in there?
They're not in the lake. They're in there.
What? There's no door.
Looks like the only way is up.
can I want with all this stuff?
Shh.
Shh. Shh.
Shh.
Ah! Shh! Oh.
Hasn't this guy heard of stairs?
Okay, the dragon's eye?
Me, Niwa, and Jinho.
Right. Quangsu, you and I will get the magic mortar.
We are currently cruising at an altitude of 37 feet. Outside temperature is 147 degrees.
I don't see any elements.
No, but look at that bridge. Tow, turn back! That looks just like Xiao Yan's staff, but bigger. Don't you think? Grub? Would you quit fooling around?
The magic mortar! Oh no!
What the? Oh, toenail clippings! Yuck! Oh.
Sorry.
He's got the dragon's eye.
Great, now what do we do?
We've got to get him out of there. We need a diversion.
Jinho, throw something from your bag of tricks at those vases. One of your bananas.
One of my bananas?
Just do it.
My precious doesn't want to leave me.
Throw something that's not boomerang shaped.
Oh no, he's locked the door.
Now how do we get in? One down. One to go.
The dragon's eye would fit under the door. So if there was someone small enough to go get it...
What are you looking at me for?
Well, it is your fault that Genai took the dragon's eye in the first place. Quangsu?
Wait, I was just about to offer, okay? You didn't have to do that. I know it's my fault and I'm gonna get the dragon's eye back if it's the last thing I do.
Would you just hurry up and go get it?
Aha! Easy peasy. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, maybe not so easy peasy. Oh!
He's got it!
Oh, baby! Classic catch! Oh, 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 oh,
Ow!
I did it! I got the dragon's eye back. We're good to go. Which way is up?
What have we here?
Please remain seated until the seatbelt sign is switched off.
Shiny!
Amazing.
I know. Thank you.
Not you, the jewels. We're gonna make General Bu a very happy man today. Jewels, water, and the elements.
This way!
Come on!
Hey, Raindrop! Make me big again! Make me big again!
Quangsu! A seed! Molisa!
That's it. All full.
Maybe not all full.
You've already exceeded the maximum carry-on luggage.
Quangsu, the window's open! Take the motor and run!
Hurry! Go! 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 We've got a chance! I think I winged it!
Okay, that'll do. It's time to get those elements. What are we waiting for? Rob, lighten the load!
Which one?
Not the barrels! You!
Giddy up!
There's no time to eat.
Bananas are good for energy. Haven't you ever seen a marathon? All they run is eat bananas.
It won't be a marathon if you get caught.
Stop arguing! The Jedi's gaining on us!
Go the banana!
You've done it before, Quangsu. Quick! The fifth seat! Melissa! Nothing could survive down there. Come on, let's go. We've got a wedding to stop.
Ling Ling!
Quangsu!
Hurry, she's leaving.
The Jedi's gaining.
What?
Go!
Ling Ling, wait! Look, I got it! I got it!
You did it! I'm so proud of you.
It's too late. The wedding is about to start.
I brought back the mortar! Give me a daughter!
The Jedi's coming. Quangsu, hurry! Use the last sea to make the river big again.
Melissa!
Would you watch it? Step on it, would you? On second thoughts, U-turn! U-turn! Grub, quick! Ditch some buckets! We gotta get out of here!
We need some more magic seeds. Fast! How do these things work?
Put them together!
Jinho, distract him!
How?
Got any bananas left?
Well.
Hurry up!
You don't know how to use those things, do you?
No? Do you?
I've seen it done. Here, let me try. Oh no! What did I do wrong?
Both hands! Mom always uses both hands!
Raindrop! 3 seeds! We made 3 seeds!
Awesome! Molly's up!
Raindrop, stop! Remember, first seed small, next seed...
Big! Molly's up! Molly's up! Go home, Jedi. No more seeds for you.
With that Jedi gun, we can get our jewels back.
General Bu won't be happy when he hears about losing the jewels.
General Bu doesn't need to know about the jewels.
What about the elements?
Hey, we got the water back, didn't we? The river's full again? We don't tell him about the elements, and we don't tell him about the jewels, okay?
Okay. But General Bu won't be happy when he hears.
Quango, I was wrong about you. When my daughter was in danger, I was too scared to move, but you did what was needed to save her.
Well, a man's gotta do.
And now I have my magic back. We'll have everything we'll ever need.
All right, time to continue our quest.
Can I?
No!
Okay, I was only asking. Nothing to get all twisted about.
This way to the Dragon's Gate.
Goodbye!
La 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 la. Flamo! Rob! What's happened to my water? Ah!